Welcome back to No Passport Required, where you can travel the world from the comfort of your favorite chair. Imagine strolling down a quiet, shaded lane in Savannah, Georgia, where the air is thick with the scent of magnolias and ancient soil. Sunlight filters through live oaks draped in Spanish moss, casting shifting patterns on cobblestone paths. The rhythmic clip-clop of a distant carriage pulls you back in time. Savannah doesn't just welcome you, it wraps you in stories from centuries past. Every turn reveals another layer, intricate ironwork on a mansion, immense ships gliding down the river. Here, time slows, inviting you to linger and discover hidden gardens and friendly nods from locals on their porches. Savannah asks you to wander without a map, letting curiosity guide you to unexpected beauty and connection. This city feels alive with the spirits and stories of all who have walked these streets before. So come, take a walk with me, and let's get lost in the timeless allure of Savannah. To truly understand Savannah, to feel its pulse and grasp its unique character, you must walk through its history, letting the cobblestones beneath your feet guide you through time. It's a journey that connects you to the very foundations of this remarkable city. This journey begins in 1733 with General James Oglethorpe's visionary city plan, a bold and innovative design that set Savannah apart from other colonial settlements. He designed a grid of wards, each thoughtfully centered around a public square, creating communal spaces for gathering, trade, and civic life. This ingenious layout is a legacy that shaped the city's soul, fostering a sense of community and connection that endures to this day. These squares are the heart of Savannah. As you wander these squares, shaded by ancient oaks and Spanish moss, you're not just taking a stroll, you're walking through American history, experiencing it firsthand. You'll encounter echoes, from the hopes and dreams of early colonists seeking a new life in a new world, to the city's pivotal role in the Revolution, a time of great upheaval and sacrifice that shaped the nation's destiny. You can almost hear the cannons roar during the Siege of Savannah, a defining moment in the fight for independence. The 19th century brought unprecedented prosperity through the booming cotton trade, transforming Savannah into a major economic hub, resulting in the construction of grand mansions that stand as testaments to the wealth and influence of the era. However, this prosperity came at a terrible cost, a painful legacy as a major slave-trading port, a dark chapter in Savannah's history that must never be forgotten. By the mid-20th century, Savannah's historic buildings, neglected and decaying, faced the threat of demolition, a tragic loss of irreplaceable architectural treasures. But a group of determined women, known as the Seven Ladies, sparked a preservation movement in 1955, igniting a passion for saving Savannah's unique heritage. Their courageous efforts saved the Isaiah Davenport House, a magnificent example of Federal-style architecture, and inspired the entire city to recognize the value of its architectural heritage and commit to its protection and restoration. Today, Savannah proudly boasts one of the largest National Historic Landmark districts in the U.S., a testament to the power of preservation and the enduring appeal of its historic charm. It's a living museum of urban design where the past seamlessly blends with the present, creating a unique and unforgettable experience. Every step here on these time-worn streets is a step through layers of courage, conflict, and community, a journey that connects you to the heart and soul of Savannah. The city's past is not just remembered in monuments and museums, it's actively lived and breathed by its residents, woven into the fabric of daily life. Savannah's streets echo with stories of generations past, whispering tales of triumph and tragedy, resilience and renewal, inviting you to become part of them, to add your own chapter to the ongoing narrative of this captivating city. This is a city where history is not confined to the textbooks. It's always present, an integral part of the atmosphere, shaping every experience and enriching every moment. General James Oglethorpe, in his infinite wisdom, designed Savannah around a series of interconnected squares. Originally conceived as a grid system for military defense and community gathering, 22 of these verdant oases remain today, testaments to urban planning that prioritized both function and beauty. Each square offers a unique outdoor living room, a place for residents and visitors alike to relax, socialize, and soak in the city's charm. Some are quiet retreats, havens of tranquility perfect for contemplation. Others are grand, adorned with monuments that commemorate historical figures and events, adding layers of depth and meaning to the urban landscape. but all foster a sense of community, providing gathering spaces for events, festivals, and everyday interactions, and offer a welcome dose of green serenity amid the city's bustle. Step into a square and the city's noise fades, replaced by a more peaceful ambiance. The sounds of traffic are softened, replaced by the gentle murmur of fountains. The air is filled with the chirping of birds, and the joyful laughter of children playing. These squares are Savannah's lungs, breathing life into the city. They are infusing peace and beauty throughout the historic district, creating a harmonious blend of nature and urban life. Watching over them, standing as silent sentinels, are the majestic live oaks. These trees are ancient, sprawling, their branches reaching out like welcoming arms and draped in ethereal Spanish moss. These trees, some centuries old, have deep roots in Savannah's soil. They have witnessed every chapter of Savannah's story, from its colonial beginnings to its modern-day vibrancy. The Spanish moss, hanging in silvery curtains, sways gently in the breeze. It gives the city its dreamy, Gothic atmosphere, a touch of mystery and romance that sets it apart. Whether bathed in the golden afternoon light or shrouded in morning fog, the effect is magical. The combination of oaks and moss creates Savannah's unforgettable visual identity, a scene that is both beautiful and haunting. Here, nature and history intertwine seamlessly. They are shaping a cityscape unlike any other, a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. The squares and their mossy guardians are the heart and soul of Savannah, defining its character and charm. They invite you to pause, breathe deeply, and feel the city's timeless magic, a magic that lingers long after you've left. Savannah is more than just a destination. It's a feast for the senses, an immersive experience that captivates from the moment you arrive. The city unfolds as a living tapestry, rich with history and brimming with southern charm, where every architectural detail tells a story, whispering tales of generations past. Each building stands as a testament to a bygone era, carefully preserved and lovingly maintained. Admire the intricate wrought iron balconies, each a unique work of art, grand columns that stand as silent sentinels, and colorful shutters of historic homes, adding splashes of vibrancy to the historic streetscapes. These homes, with their unique character, create a visual symphony that is distinctly Savannah. Underfoot, feel the uneven cobblestones worn smooth by countless footsteps over centuries, and worn brick sidewalks polished by generations of residents and visitors alike. These pathways invite you to slow down and savor the moment. The city's soundtrack is a captivating blend of horse-drawn carriages, their gentle clip-clop echoing through the streets, ship horns echoing from the Savannah River, a constant reminder of the city's maritime history, and the soothing splash of fountains in the city's leafy squares, offering a tranquil escape from the bustling streets. As evening descends, music and laughter spill from restaurants and bars, creating a lively and inviting atmosphere, mingling with the gentle chirp of crickets, serenading the night. The air is perfumed with the sweet fragrance of blooming azaleas, their vibrant colors adding to the city's charm, the intoxicating scent of magnolia blossoms and the delicate aroma of jasmine, mixed with the earthy scent of low-country soil, a grounding aroma that connects you to the land, and the refreshing salty river breezes carrying whispers of the ocean. Touch the cool, rough tabby walls, a unique building material that speaks to the city's history, and sun-warmed iron gates, each a testament to the craftsmanship of a bygone era, each surface a link to the past, inviting you to connect with the city's rich heritage. Even the humidity, often a topic of conversation, is part of the Savannah experience, slowing your pace and heightening your awareness, encouraging you to embrace the present moment. In Savannah, you don't just see the city, you experience it with every fiber of your being, you feel it, you breathe it, you live it. Every sense is engaged, creating a symphony of experiences that will stay with you long after you leave, drawing you deeper into its world, inviting you to explore its hidden corners and uncover its secrets. This is a city that invites you to savor every moment, to linger a little longer, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Savannah is famed as one of America's most haunted cities, its history steeped in ghostly tales. Tragic epidemics, wars, and fires have left behind stories that linger in its streets and buildings. Landmarks like the Marshall House and Pirates House are legendary for their paranormal activity. Ghost tours on foot, by trolley, or even in a hearse bring these legends to life, blending history with mystery. Whether you believe or not, these stories connect us to Savannah's past and add intrigue to its enchanting atmosphere. In Savannah, the past walks beside you, especially as dusk falls and the moss casts long, haunting shadows. Savannah's food is a journey into low-country tradition and innovation. Classic dishes like shrimp and grits, she-crab soup and fried green tomatoes are must-tries, each bite a taste of the city's heritage. Dine in historic mansions like the Old Pink House, or join communal tables at Mrs. Wilkes's dining room for true Southern hospitality. Along the river, enjoy fresh seafood as ships glide by. But Savannah's culinary scene is evolving. Chefs at places like the Gray are reinventing Southern flavors with creativity and flair. From artisanal bakeries to trendy cocktail bars, the city buzzes with energy and innovation. Here, tradition and modernity blend seamlessly on every plate. Eating in Savannah isn't just a meal, it's an immersion in culture and community. Every dish tells a story, connecting you to the land and its people. Savannah feeds both body and soul. Savannah is alive with tradition and creativity, never just a museum of the past. The city's St. Patrick's Day parade is legendary, turning fountains green and filling the streets with joy. Everyday life is steeped in Southern hospitality. Front porch sitting, pride in historic homes, and a gentle pace that values connection. The Savannah College of Art and Design, SCAD, infuses the city with youthful energy, transforming old buildings into vibrant spaces for art and innovation. SCAD's influence is everywhere, in galleries, boutiques, coffee shops, and restaurants. Old and new blend seamlessly. You can tour a centuries-old house in the morning and visit a cutting-edge art exhibit in the afternoon. Storytelling, art, and history coexist, making Savannah endlessly fascinating. The city honors its past while embracing the future. Here, tradition and creativity enrich each other, creating a culture that's uniquely Savannah. Savannah is more than a destination. It's a lesson in savoring life. It teaches you to slow down, notice the details, and connect with both history and community. The city's beauty lingers long after you leave. The humid air, the scent of magnolias, the taste of shrimp and grits. Savannah welcomes you as the hostess city of the South, making every visitor feel at home. Its sense of place is profound, unapologetically itself, rich in stories and spirit. By visiting, you become part of its ongoing narrative, adding your footsteps to its storied streets. Savannah inspires, enchants, and leaves you longing to return. Come for the history, the food, the art, or simply to be charmed by the magic under the moss.